What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Sonic. Today we have a very special car. It's the 2016 Lexus CT200h. And it's very special because we are going to install our ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller. And this ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller, especially for hybrid vehicles, makes a huge, significant difference. The throttle response becomes amazingly responsive, and it's almost like driving a brand new car. And on top of that, you'll be able to lock your throttle for additional theft deterrent. You can put it in valet mode so your valet guy won't be able to floor your vehicle. And you can adjust in 1% increments of how sensitive and how much you want your car to accelerate. From eco mode all the way to race mode. And in between there's dynamic, sport, and sport plus. So many different ways to adjust the way your car drives. And this product here has 351 different ways to adjust. It is the most adjustability throttle response control on the market. And also, it never throws check engine lights if you are very concerned about that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how easy it is to install this kit and do a quick demonstration. So let's not waste your time and get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do before we install, go ahead and turn off your engine, get out of your car, grab your keys, and go ahead and lock it. Alright, and then unlock it. This will remove all the circuitries going through your acceleration pedal. And if you don't want to do this, you can leave the driver's side door open and move this key very far away from the vehicle so it doesn't detect it, and wait like 10 minutes or so. But this is very simple. Just lock your car and unlock it, and then it's ready to get installed. Alright, so before we get in the car, let me show you the contents of this. This one specifically is the SP09, which is compatible to this 2016 Lexus CT200h. Go ahead and open the package. Alright, inside the package we have both an English and a Spanish manual. Inside the English manual, if you open it to the front page, you'll find the necessary information you need when you pair your phone to this device, so keep this handy. If you will prefer a Spanish version, we have that as well. Have a really cool sticker if you want to sport this on your car on the outside, you can do so. 2 zip ties, and also the module that's already connected to the plug-and-play harness. And then we also have the ShiftPower button, and this ShiftPower button will just connect here like so. And this will connect behind the acceleration pedal. So if you go back to the acceleration pedal, I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to plug that into here. And this will plug back into the acceleration pedal assembly. Just grab these, go to the vehicle, and show you how to install. Alright, so let's go ahead and dip our head under this footwell area. Okay, of course that obviously is your acceleration pedal. And if you go behind it, you'll find the acceleration pedal assembly. Right above it is the connector. So I'll go ahead and unplug it. So the release tab is in the inside, okay, towards the center console. You're gonna grab your finger, you're gonna push the release tab. You're gonna pull straight up. You're gonna be very tempted to pull sideways just because of the awkward position you're gonna be when you pull this. And if you're able to pull straight out, it's gonna come out very easily. But if you start pulling sideways, even if you're just a little bit off, it's gonna be very difficult to unplug, and that's where many of you might struggle. So let me just show you how it is. So right here, just press the tab and just push straight up, just like so. It's come out very easily. All right, here's the plugs that we're gonna install. All right, so grab the plugs. Okay, the gray plug here, which is the female, it's going to connect to the male side of the factory connector. It will only connect one way, okay? So you won't make a mistake. Obviously this will be much easier if you use 2 hands, but I am holding the camera with the other hand. Alright, here it is. And then you'll hear a click, okay? Make sure it clips in. Alright, and then here's the other side. I'm going to connect this to the factory connector right there, and once again click. All right, and we have the rest of these parts we're going to tuck in using the supply zip ties. And I'm going to route this button here wherever you like. We're going to route it up here. Okay. We already went ahead and removed this panel here just so we could access this. And how you remove it, just grab a panel removal tool, just put it under here and then just pull it out. Alright, so let me go ahead and work on this. Alright, so before we close everything up, I want to show you what I did. So if you look back here to the pedal, I went ahead and added a piece of zip tie here because it was a little bit looser, just so that this wire here doesn't hang down and touch the steering wheel assembly here where it might twist, and then this wires here will be out of the way. And then we went ahead and moved the module here. We zip tied it here. This piece, this panel piece, just pull it out, it comes right out. I put it back in. Very easy. You don't need any special tools for this. Just grab your hand here and pull out. And went ahead and routed the switch up here. And how we did this is, there's an opening here. We went ahead and first unplugged it from the harness, and then we got the smaller thin end and we pushed it through here, and then we caught it from the back and then plugged it in. So it's pretty, might take a few tries, but it's not too difficult. And then next we are going to grab our panel piece here and then push it back in. And then we're going to use some alcohol wipe to clean the surface of this mounting area, and then finalize our installation. So after you turn on the engine, what you want to do is download the ShiftPower application. And how you do that is go to your app here. I already went ahead and searched it, ShiftPower VaLtech, and then go ahead and press the install and then open. And after you open up the app, you want to click on this vehicle button, and then you'll find it. You'll find your ShiftPower device. Go ahead and connect it. It's going to ask you for the password, and the password is going to be written on the user manual. Go ahead and pair it, and then you will select your vehicle, Tacoma. And then once you selected it, you'll notice that it's already on green. So every time you press the button, your app will change real time. Sport, Super Sport, that's orange, and then Race, that's red. Press it again, it'll turn white, which is turned off. We also have what's called a valet mode. So at the valet mode, you can actually adjust how much percentage is the maximum acceleration, between 15 to 45% when you're valeting your vehicle, so that you don't have to worry about the valet driver peeling out with your car and being reckless with it. And at the same time, we also have the throttle lock mode. So when you lock your throttle, this is for a secondary theft deterrent device. Say that they get your engine turned on, and even when they accelerate, nothing is going to happen to the vehicle. It won't move. Alright guys, well this concludes our video for installation and demonstration of our ShiftPower on this Lexus CT200h. Any questions you have, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@beatsonikusa.com. And if you'd like to purchase this product today, it is available at beatsonikusa.com. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't yet, make sure to give us that thumbs up and also subscribe to our page for more awesome content in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.